Hello and welcome to your daily dose of health facts. Today we are going to talk about food and cancer. When it comes to food and cancer, there are countless myths out there. Some say that you can prevent cancer by eating a certain type of food. Then again, someone else will say eating same food can increase the risk of cancer. So which one is it? Let's talk about it. Now, we are going to talk about some of the topics that people usually get confused upon. So let's start the topic, shall we? Number 1. Does consuming sugar increase the risk of cancer? There is no conclusive research that proves that sugar makes cancer cells grow. While it is true that cancer cells require sugars as well as other nutrients, nearly every cell in the body needs glucose to grow. If you avoid all sources of sugars found in grains, vegetables, fruits, milk, and beans, your healthy cells will starve, which will lead you to malnutrition. Experts specially recommend avoiding refined sugars found in foods such as soda, candy, and baked goods. They recommend getting sugar intake from natural sources. Number 2. Does eating soy prevent cancer? Eating soy products does not pose a risk of cancer. The link between soy and breast cancer has been studied in humans, but there is no evidence that eating soy products increases or decreases the risk of cancer. Number 3. Can tomatoes cause or prevent cancer? According to some studies, the use of whole tomato extract during the treatment of colon cancer significantly affects the main process of cancer cells. Not only this, the process of transfer of these cells from tomato also slows down and eventually the cancer cells themselves start to get destroyed. Number 4. Can herbal supplements help fight cancer? Although some studies suggest that alternative or complementary therapies including certain herbs may help patients cope with side effects of cancer treatment, no herbal product has been shown to be effective for cancer treatment. Number 5. Can superfoods prevent cancer? Although it is true that healthy and balanced diet can help reduce cancer risk, it is unlikely that any one food on its own will make much of a difference. Number 6. Should I become a vegetarian to reduce the risk of cancer? There is no evidence that consumption of fish or meat increases the risk of cancer. Instead, we can consume a balanced diet that includes whole grains, pulses, fruits and vegetables and reduce the consumption of red meat. We know that meat and fish provide an important source of nutrients as a part of balanced and healthy diet, but it can be healthy to eat vegetarian diet to provide it as well. Number 7. Is it harmful to store food in plastic containers and wraps that release cancer-causing substances? Plastic containers and wraps labeled as safe for use in the microwave do not pose any danger. But there are some evidence that plastic containers not intended for use in the microwave can potentially leak chemicals into your food. So, these are some questions that you might have had regarding cancer and food. For more information on this topic, please visit our website mentioned in the description below.